Welcome to the world of Royal Play equipment, where sports meet excellence with our top-tier turf solutions. Whether you're passionate about cricket, football, or any sport that thrives on turf, we've got you covered with our premium quality surfaces. Crafted meticulously with the finest materials, our turfs boast optimal dimensions, ensuring the perfect play area. Safety is paramount to us, which is why each component undergoes rigorous quality checks to guarantee a secure experience for every player. Our commitment to excellence extends to every detail, from the durable pipes to the long-lasting nets, all designed to withstand the demands of intense sporting action. With artificial grass meticulously laid out, our turfs not only offer superior performance but also enhance the aesthetics of any space they grace. Join us on a journey where quality meets beauty and sportsmanship finds its true arena. Experience the Royal Play difference today and elevate your game to new heights. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Choose Royal Play equipment for the ultimate sports turf experience.